Sheikh Hamdan's birds hatch on SUV in Dubai. Dubai, sometimes the little things in life are more than enough. This was the caption that Sheikh Hamdan bin Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum, Crown Prince of Dubai and Chairman of Dubai Executive Council, had for an 80-second video that he posted on Instagram on Wednesday. The video showed a pair of chicks that were hatched by the windshield of his black Mercedes SUV. The endearing video, accompanied by a feel-good instrumental music that was posted by Sheikh Hamdan, also showed a pair of doves alternating in their parenting roles. The mother and father birds took turns in removing the eggshells from the nest they had built in early August, and also fed their babies and kept them warm. Within 2 hours after posting it on Instagram, Sheikh Hamdan's video garnered 547,496 views and more than 7,400 comments from happy netizens who posted their reactions through various emotions, including heart sign, thumbs up, and remarks in Arabic, English, Hindi, Urdu, and Spanish.